Hi, here's a quick video to show you how to clean your CraftOptics. That question is asked quite a bit, and here's how you do it. First of all, you can, if you're a jeweler, for example, and you have a lot of debris and stuff flying around, you don't want to wipe these down with a cleaning cloth without having rinsed some stuff off first, because if you leave dust and any filings, that kind of stuff on, and you rub the glasses or you rub the oculars, you're going to make little micro scratches in it over time. It's just going to look cloudy. Make sure that if you're in a situation where you're really using these with a lot of spray or a lot of other debris, you can actually rinse them off quickly under the water, under the faucet, and then you can dry them with, again, you want to have a clean, an optical cloth like this. One is included when you order these, but for the most part, it's just simple. Just flip the oculars up here, the magnifiers up a little bit, get any kind of cleaning spray. You can get that in a drugstore, and just clean it. You can even use Windex if you want. Spray them all over the place, gently wipe them down. Clean that nose pad, so you make sure that nose pad is clean, because that does get makeup and oils and things like that, and then it actually kind of gets a little slippery. So if you keep that clean, it stays on a little bit better. And there you go. Just make sure not to bend anything. You don't need to crank hard. It makes it nice and clean. Drop the oculars back down and you're all set to go.